Hello guys, welcome back to Yum Indian Kitchen. Today we are making yummy spongy live dhokla. Please watch entire video to get secret recipe. Let's look through what ingredients we need for dhokla. 1 cup dhokla flour, 1 cup gram flour, 1 cup semolina and half cup curd, and also we need a water for making a batter. Let's start to make a dhokla batter. We are adding first dhokla flour, then add 1 cup semolina, then add 1 cup gram flour, we are mixing it properly. Then adding half cup of curd, we are mixing it properly again. Then we add water, 1 cup by 1 cup. I'm adding 1 cup of water. We need a not really thick and not really thin batter. We need a medium batter. We need a more 1 cup water. I'm adding half for now. We are doing in one way mixing like this. We don't need a lumps inside. We are doing same way, mixing properly. We need a more water, a little bit. We need a little bit more water. I'm adding little bit like this. Our batter is almost ready. Look, I'm mixing in one direction. We need to just mixing and mixing about the 1 minute. We need a consistency like this. This is a perfect batter for live dhokla. Our batter is ready now, so we can keep this on a side for half hour to 1 hour. This is a live dhokla, so we can make within 1 hour. Let's see what ingredients do we need for dhokla tempering. 1 tsp mustard seed, 3 tablespoons oil, salt according to taste, and 2 tablespoons green chili paste. If you like spicy, you can add more. Turn on a heat, medium heat. Take a pan, add oil. Is hot. Let's add mustard seed. Add a chili in paste. Our paste. Tempering, add in a batter. And add salt and then mix properly. If you feel your batter is really thick, you can add water and just mix like this properly all the way and just mix in one direction. This is a perfect consistency for dhokla batter. Now next we are going to cook it. I have a dhokla steamer and also I already put on a heat and also added 3 cups of water for warming. The dhokla plate, add some oil, 1 or 2 drops, and then grease all the side, on side to side by side and down to like this. 1 tsp in fruit salt and then mix one way properly. So do you see the foaming is occurred? Now we need a perfectly like this and then put on the plate like this. Plate is ready. We just sprinkle with achar masala. We call pickle masala. Water is hot. Now let's put the plate in like this. Now I'm close the lid and let the steam for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Our dhokla is ready. Let's check. Toothpick in and see it's not stick on the toothpick. That means our dhokla is ready. We turn off the heat. Now we take out the plate. Now we are spreading the oil with a brush. So if we spread the oil, it's really soft. It keeps soft and yummy. We just spread like this and then now let it cool for 2 or 3 minutes. Once it's cool, we will cut. Our dhokla is cooled down now. Let's cut it. It looks spongy and with yum smell too. We are cutting like this. we cut it. Now we check out the spongy dhokla. Look at this one. It's look neat, also spongy, and it's yummy too. Our dhokla is ready to serve. Look, it's a with a net, spongy and soft too, like this. You can eat this with ketchup or green chili sauce. Let's taste. It's yum. Wow, amazing. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.